So for this project we have two motors attached to a chassis here. They're firmly fixed down with tape. These motors are connected to a motor control board on top of the Raspberry Pi. Each motor has its own terminal, and the middle terminal connects to an external battery pack used to power the motors. To understand how to connect all the motors to the controller board, the kit that comes with your kit bag has a full explanation and guide. To find Python on the Raspberry Pi, we need to go to the main menu, which is located in the top left. Click on Menu, Programming and Python 3. A new window will appear. We need to click on File and New File to open a new editor window, which is where we're going to write our code. So now let's look at some slides which show the code in detail for this project. So we start this project by importing two libraries. The first library is called GPIO0, and this library is used to work with GPIO pins and has been created for those new to Python. In this case we're going to import the motor class to work with a motor. Next we import time to control the pace of our code. Next we create two variables, motor1 and motor2, and we use those to store the locations of the motors on the GPIO, in this case pins 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Inside of a while true loop, we create a for loop. And this uses a range so that the loop will operate twice. So twice, motor 1 will go backwards at a speed of 0.3, so a third of its full speed, where motor 2 will go forwards at 90% of its full speed. We then wait for 1 second before creating another for loop, which will happen twice. Motor 1 goes backwards at a speed of 1, which is full speed, and motor 2 goes forwards at a speed of 0.2. We then sleep for 1 second before breaking out of the loop and turning off motor 1 and motor 2, and then sleeping once more for 1 second. So now after completing the code and building the circuit, we're ready to start our drum, and we've used a recycled water bottle from a water cooler. So let's play the drums.